Do you?
Cheese! It's our video.
What?
It's our video.
What's on video?
Look at this video. Mark!
What? See the picture, man.
Share your story.
Huh?
Share your story.
My story.
Your story.
Share my story. Oh, about 9 months ago, I was at a meeting. I met this girl named Abby on the bus. And, you know, things went pretty good for the first 3 months. Then she got her hooks in, and everything went fucking crazy for a while. But you know what? It's for the best today. She turned me into a sappy bitch. But I've got a lot to learn in life today. One thing about our recovery, though, is recovery is first. I'm second, and Abby is third. She doesn't like that, but that's what it has to be. If it can't be Abby, then recovery to me, or me, recovery, Abby. It's got to be recovery, me, then Abby. Got that, Abby? That's enough of this sappy talk. I love you, Abby. Have a nice day.